Hello everyone! Nowadays more and more people tend to do some sport at their leisure time. So you need a high quality sportswear. And how to develop a high quality and suitable sportswear, you need to consider 3 points. First, the fabric of the sportswear. Second is the raw material of the heat transfer labels. And the third is this heat transfer label environmental friendly or not. Now we are in the factory, just follow me. All our products are used the water-based ink, which is eco-friendly. We are in the quality check department now. The workers are checking the product piece by piece. When they find the wrong product, they will make a mark on them, just like this. We just got some heat transfer label product from the factory, and now I'm gonna iron it on the fabric. I'm gonna show you how to iron this label on the cloth. Here is a code with our heat transfer label. All our products use the water-based ink, which is non-toxic and environmental friendly, and also meet the standard of Architects 100 and Adidas 01. And if you want to know more, welcome to contact us.